For the first time in a few months, we have an update from Cameron Mcadoo, and this obviously has not been a very good year for him. If you remember all the way back, before even Supercross started in the 250 East Division, he ended up tearing his ACL, so starting the year already at a disadvantage, and not exactly the way you want a championship start or another year, especially for him with how many injuries he has in general. And we'll say, really good race. The first race, third at Tampa. So not exactly the worst thing in the world. I mean, obviously it was going to be a rough season if he did the whole thing. Obviously did not. If you remember was it Detroit, he had a big crash, and that was the picture that you saw. He tried to race at Daytona and just said, I can't do this. Ended up having the ACL surgery on his knee, and that's where we've been for the longest time. That was back in March, I think, the last time we heard anything. But we do have an update from him, from his Instagram, saying, quote, "Wanted to jump on and give everyone an update on my progress with the knee. Things have been going well and moving forward as planned with the recovery. I still have a couple months until the doctors will release me to be back on the motorcycle. This one has been a bit longer recovery due to it being my second time having my ACL worked on. I am missing being on the bike and getting to go race on weekends more than anything right now, but as I know in due time, I will get that opportunity. In the meantime, I've spent a lot of time pedaling bikes at the range, sport therapy, lots of PT, and checking off some honeydew projects, haha. As always, I appreciate everyone's support through it all." Now, I mean, who knows? A couple more months, so we're probably not seeing him until Supercross next year. I think at the moment he's like 48th or something like that in the SMX playoffs, so I don't even think he would qualify if he made a couple of the last rounds of motocross. So that leaves SMX out, and then another year, hopefully, in the 250s on the pro circuit bike, which you gotta say, they have been with him through thick and thin. As of right now, he's 27 years old. Like, he's been in the 250 class for a long time. Between him and Faulkner, that pro circuit team stuck around with these guys for a good portion. You got to give it to him for not dropping these guys for, oh, you've been injured, back to privateer life for you or whatever. And for them, I mean, it's their own money. They can do whatever they want with it. So not the worst thing in the world for anybody else because it's not hurting you. But who knows? I mean, obviously, you want the most talented guys, the fastest guys, all racing all the time. Makes the viewership better, or viewing of the championship better, makes the races better, makes it more just exciting in general. So hopefully he can get fully healed up, get back on the bike, start training, get ready for Supercross next year, and come out swinging for a title chance. I mean, again, 27 years old, so he's going to start kind of aging towards the end of things. Jeremy Martin, 32 years old still in thing, or the RJ Hampshire, and you never want to see that. I mean, the 250 should be a building class, but I don't know. Comment down below, you tell me, are you enjoying outdoors so far? Are you going to any rounds? Whatever it is, comment down below, tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things the platform allows you to do, because it really helps me out. I appreciate it. With that, I'll see you later. Peace.